Got the sign right there. I was looking for it to be bigger. I smell that cheese. It smells. Hold up, wait a minute. Look at this slice of cheese, man.
Controversy, it's my boo. I can make $250,000 off a haiku, and I can make another quarter off at times two if it's money on the table.
What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We're in Newark, New Jersey, man. I'm back. It's cold as a motor scooter up out here. Look at that snow back there behind me, man. Look, I got a craving for pizza, and I've been to this spot before. It's right across the street, y'all. It's Queen Pizza. Let's go in there. I'm gonna order a whole pie, man. Let's go up in Queen Pizza, one of the best pizza spots in this area. Let's go check it out.
I'm talking 6 a.m.
122 Halsey Street, Newark, New Jersey. They got a little side door here. Got the Queen Pizza right there. Let's go up in here. Oh, it's crowded, man. They got my chair. I want to be by the window. I see some window seats right there. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna be polite and hold the door for. Hey, yes, sir. Well, sir. Here it is, man. Here it is. Here it is. We're gonna sit right over there by the window. This Queen Pizza, yo. They got delivery. Grubhub right there. Got the sign right there. All right. Pizza line. Oh, sorry. No, that's all right. They got pizza all here, but we're gonna order some of our fresh pizza. Hey, I'm gonna order a whole pie.
Whole pie?
Yeah, do you have different sizes? Is it small, medium, large?
I have it medium and large.
How big is the medium?
Medium
How many
is
inches?
6 slices.
I'll take a large. Give me a large. That's that whole pie right there, y'all. I was looking for it to be bigger. I smell that cheese. It smells buttery. I know it's not butter on there, but it smells buttery and cheesy right there, man. Cold pizza. We got that whole pie. Got that whole cheese slice, man. Here in Newark, New Jersey, we're about to go into it. I don't have any plates, but I should have a plate. Let's check it out. Let's pull this first slice off of here. Oh, it's real steamy, y'all. I'm gonna close this box up, right? Wait a minute, look at this slice of cheese, man, pizza, right? It's really, I like it to be flexible. You look underneath, that bread is not burned. Queen's Pizza is like one of the pizza spots to go to if you're in Newark, New Jersey or surrounding area. They have some really good pizza, man. Let's get it.
Number one. We make every pie fresh as they go. We don't make anything, you know, ahead of time.
Y'all hear that?
That's number one. We are number
It's delicious,
one.
man.
Number
She
one.
said they're number one.
Number one.
I'm telling y'all, they are definitely one of the best in this area.
Definitely.
The sauce, the cheesiness, man, this pizza is delicious. But everybody know that in this area. I just wanted to show y'all Queen Pizza here on Halsey Street, Newark, New Jersey.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at that, man. Look at that.
Side and a casting crew of friends who are always there when things get dry to crack a joke. But instead I'm hearing Cali.
What's key to this pizza too, you gotta eat this pizza while it's hot. I'm not putting my pizza in the microwave. If it get cold and I take it home, I gotta turn the oven on and heat it up that way.
Taking life for what it is, even if it's getting
Cold pizza on a Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge.
tahini, y'all.
Y'all keep looking for a new way. I think I
That sauce is really good. I don't think I mentioned the bread. The bread is really good. This pizza dough
Always as good as it gets.
is really good.
Even throughout all the mess. Regrets, piles of cigarettes, and the rest. All you got to ever.
The only thing, y'all, it says custom made to your order.
So live it all.
They wouldn't add the red onions.
That's what half onions.
Okay.
With the red onions, red onions. You don't have red onions?
We do, but normally we don't put red onions on the pie.
So you can't get red onions,
They're
y'all.
raw.
I think maybe they would have added the red onions, raw onions afterwards, but maybe that would have been okay. I love onions. The bread, look at the bread. The bread is not burned, man. That's a good oven they have. I don't know how old that oven is, but it's good when you can make that dough and it's cooked all the way through. See how it's cooked through? And it's not burned. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was 8 slices. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half like that. Put it on the plate. Close this back up. Okay. This slice says this piece right here has cooled off a little bit, but it's still, I like that flexible, man. If I was to hold this pizza straight up and it just stood straight out like that, I don't think I'd be interested. But I like that flexibleness, man. Now, Star Tavern, that pizza, you guys remember the episode? I'll put the episode up right there. I'll put it right there. Star Tavern, that's a different league, man. It's not the same type of pizza. I'd say Star Tavern is a little more sloppier, but this is more traditional pizza. That flavor's the bomb. Some of y'all gonna be like, what does the bomb mean? It's delicious. It's a growing up in Newark, New Jersey thing when I say it's the bomb. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats. Thanks for hanging out with me as we go out on food, adventure, and travel. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. It's cold as heck outside, but I want to take y'all out for a little walk around the block, man, before we end the video. I'll end it officially now, but we're about to go for a walk, so don't leave yet. All right, man, we're walking out. I got my pizza right there. I thought this was a game. I gotta get the door right, y'all. We going out. We gonna push it right there. All right, and now we're gonna walk around Newark a little bit and see what else Newark has to offer besides pizza. Let's check it out. Here on Halsey Street, man. All right, so if y'all follow my lives, right? Y'all know I hit Halsey a lot, but I just wanted to bring some nice crystal clear video to you guys, man. Got Krauser's over there. Got the Coogee shop, exotic snacks, tobacco, pipes. You got Teriyaki Madness over there. Krauser's is new. This right here, this video, I just come down here, man, to do a little panoramic for those that might be from the area that's moved on somewhere else. Talking about it's warm where I'm at, I'm never going back to Newark. All right, y'all. Do I still have a light? Let me cross the street here. Y'all know that's my mode of transportation right there. Sometimes the scooter. My hand's cold, y'all. The things that YouTubers do for their subscribers. Once again, saying goodbye to Queen Pizza. I'm really signing off, man. I'm not gonna walk around too much. This your man, Mad DV. Let me get in the sun. This your man, Mad DV. I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me. Peace. Oh, I love you cats. Y'all know that. Peace.